Hello everybody, welcome to Armcandy. So today we've got for you this gorgeous piece of Launer. Launer is known kind of for its understated and its refined luxury. And this Launer shoulder is beautiful. So I'll show you all the features. So we've got flat closure here, and then we've got this long gold chain strap, and it's really kind of thin and delicate and beautiful. To fasten this flat closure, we've got press stud, and then inside we've got one flat pocket there. The condition of this one we've called good all around, and this leather is still really beautiful, but you can just see, if I show that at certain angles in the light, you can see it's got a few signs of wear, a couple of marks on it, and it's a similar thing on the front, just a few signs of wear here and there, and this side is just a little bit not as smooth as the rest of the leather, but it is fairly noticeable and it still looks very, very beautiful. Inside is a similar situation. We've called it good again, just because there's a few marks here and there across that interior fabric, and then you can see on the badge here, it's just started to discolour a little bit. You can see it's just gone a little bit green, but other than that, the interior is still very, very nice. This gold chain strap is in beautiful condition. Show that up to the camera. I love this strap. I think because it's quite delicate, it's very kind of elegant. Yeah, I really like it. So that's in still very nice condition, but it's just this press stud fasten. It's just started to discolour a little bit. See on there as well. So that is the reason we've called the hardware good. While you're here, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you can get an alert every time we bring out a new video and you don't miss out on any gorgeous arm candy. So for the exact measurements of this bag, go to the link in the description below. It should hopefully take you directly to this bag. If it doesn't and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold, but you can still get on our request list, which you do by sending us over an email or filling out the contact us form on our website. Let us know that you love this bag, or whatever bag it may be, let us know that you love it and we'll get you on a request list, which means that as soon as we get in a bag that you like through that door, we will send you through an email with the link to shop, so that hopefully you can grab it before anybody else does. So wearing this as a shoulder, it sits just about hip height on me, or you can also have it as a crossbody, which I quite like. I think this nice thin delicate strap is kind of a beautiful accessory, but also with this bag, if you wanted to pop that chain strap inside the bag in there like that, it looks very nice just as a little clutch as well. So yeah, it's a very beautiful bag. It comes with this Launer dust bag to keep it protected, and for more details on this bag, as I said, go to the link in the description below and it should hopefully take you directly to this bag. You'll also find loads more beautiful bags, purses and wallets on there, so have a browse through the website. We will also send you your welcome discount code if you sign up to our newsletter on the website, so you'll find the option to do that at the bottom of every page. Just pop your email in there and we will send you through your welcome discount code, which you can use on your first purchase, and that should go straight to your inbox. If it doesn't, check your spam or your junk folder and it might have gone in there, but don't forget to get your welcome discount code. Also on our website, you'll find the how to sell with us page, so if you have any bags that you would like to sell with Armcandy Bag Co, then go onto that page and it'll give you all the details you need to know about selling with us. And that's all I have for you today, so we'll see you later with some more Armcandy.